Berwick Mitsubishi. My name is Ruby and today we're doing a video on something a little bit special to have into our used car stock. We've got a 2019 Mitsubishi Triton GLS in the MR, which is the new shape. Now starting at the front, you do have that Mitsubishi logo right in the middle there, and it does stand out from your centre grille with the black and the sort of brushed chrome look going on in your grille there. Front parking sensors as well, so you do get 4 of those. Now being such a big work vehicle, they are going to come in handy for you. Really nice projector headlights as well in this model, so you get a very clear beam of light when you are driving, and you do have the daytime running light running through there as well, and then your fog light down on the bottom as well. Really nice look to the front grille there as well. Now I'm not going to spend much time on condition of wheels, but more just to give you an idea of how it looks. Really nice design Mitsubishi's gone for, and obviously you do get that Bridgestone all-terrain tyre on there as well. Chrome side mirrors and door handles as well. Again, ties in with the whole chrome and blue sort of look we're going for. Indicator is built into your side mirror, so you just clean up that front quarter panel and everyone knows that you are indicating. Side step down the bottom, so help anyone that is on the shorter side or even anyone on the taller side just to get in and out. Now looking on the inside, now being the GLS, you do have the cloth seats and the carpet interior. It does just feel a bit more homey and nice. Now one thing I would recommend is putting tint on these front windows. Definitely something we can help you out with. Obviously it is an additional cost, but we'll be happy to run through your options with you. You do only have the privacy glass on the rear windows though. Now one thing the Tritons are known for is that J-line shape on the back, so that does give more comfort to your rear passengers because that seat does have that incline and gives them more leg room as well. So really nice design Mitsubishi's gone for. Chrome sports bar on the back as well, so you're not going to damage your paintwork if you are having to lean any ladders or anything up against that. Now on the back you do get another 4 rear parking sensors. Now they are your ultrasonic rear sensors, and you do have the rear step, so if you did need to just get anything out of the back, you can just jump onto that step and you don't have to open the tub. High mount brake light on the back of the tub there, and then your reverse camera is just in that chrome there as well. Now it is pointed a bit to the left, so that's going to help you out with parallel parking. Now inside the tub, plenty of room for everything you will need to put in there, but I would highly recommend adding a tub liner, again just to protect the paintwork in there and to help stop any noise, because obviously metal on metal is not a pleasant sound, so it'll help dampen that noise for you as well. Now just to take note, your fuel filler cap is on the passenger side. That is the safe side of the vehicle, being that it is the curb side. So if you do have to fill up on the freeway or anything like that, you don't have to worry about oncoming traffic. So what we'll do now is we'll pop open the bonnet and have a look at the engine. Alright guys, so looking under the bonnet now, you've got a 4-cylinder 2.4 litre turbo diesel engine with a 6-speed automatic gearbox in this car. On the safety side of things, you have a 5-star NCAP safety rating with 7 airbags throughout, so you know you and all of your passengers are going to be nice and safe in this one. Now on the power side of things, you'll get 133 kilowatts of power and 430 newton meters of torque, so plenty of torque when you are needing to tow anything. Now this car does have a 75 litre capacity diesel tank, using about 8.6 litres per 100 kilometres, giving you an average of 872 kilometres to a tank, so plenty of fuel efficiency there as well. As inside the Triton now, and starting on the driver's side door, you do get a nice piano black surround to all of your controls on the door. All of your windows are power windows, with your driver's side being automatic up and down. And then you've also got your window lock as well, so if anyone's getting a bit annoying playing with the window, you can just lock them out there. Just behind the steering wheel, you do have all of your power mirror controls. Now you do have a little button to fold your side mirrors in, and they do fold in when you lock the car as well, so you don't have to worry and come up and pull the handle to know it's locked. You can just look at the mirror. Just below that, we do have all of our extra safety features like our lane departure warning and our front collision mitigation. We also have our traction control on and off and our headlight height adjuster as well. So if you do have a bit of weight in the back, you can bring your headlights back up instead of having them point down to the floor. On the right hand stalk, we've got our indicators left and right, along with our headlights and fog light controls. And then we also have auto high beams as well. So again, please ask us about that one and we'll be able to explain that a bit more for you. You do also get auto headlights, so obviously just leave it on auto and the car will do all the work for you. On the left hand stalk, you do have your washer and wiper controls, again auto wipers, so your car can do everything for you. On the steering wheel itself, really nice leather wrapped steering wheel, very comfortable to hold with the 4 spokes. All of your cruise control and speed limiter settings are on the right hand side, along with little buttons to flick through what you see in your cluster. And then on the left hand side, all of your entertainment and your seeking and your Bluetooth controls as well. Moving into the centre screen, now this is Mitsubishi's probably one of their best entertainment systems. So you get AM, FM radio, digital radio, USB, iPod connectivity, Bluetooth, and you get the Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. So just plugging your phone in will let you use all of that. And then you've got all your different settings and everything as well. Now I'll just pop it into reverse, and you can see the reverse camera as well. So nice green lines to guide you in, and then a red one to show you when to stop, and then you can obviously see your tow bar if you do fit one. Just below that, we do have all of our climate control, so it is dual zone, so driver and passenger can have a different temperature. Just below that, passenger seatbelt alarm, hazard lights, and the passenger airbag, whether it's on or off. So if you were going to put a baby seat or something in the very front seat, you can turn that airbag off. Blind spot monitoring on and off as well, and then your parking sensors on and off. HDMI input, 2 USBs, and a 12-volt socket. Fair bit of storage down here as well. And then your automatic shifter. Obviously you can drive it like a normal automatic, or you can pop it into the sports shift and shift through your gears manually. Now you also have your 4-wheel drive selector. So this one is Mitsubishi's Super Select, so you can go between 2 high and 4 high while you're driving up to 100 kilometers. And then you have your downhill descent control and your terrain selector, hard handbrake, 2 nicely sized cup holders, and then a nice leather wrapped armrest that does open up, and you get a 12-volt socket in there as well. So I'll just let the camera person pan around a bit, show you what it does actually look like on the inside, and then we'll jump outside and wrap up the video. Guys, so that wraps up our walk around video on this stunning blue 2019 Mitsubishi Triton. I really do hope it's given you some insights to why this is the perfect car for you. Now if you'd like to book a test drive, the number to call is 9907 0555. And just a couple of things before I go, I do highly recommend talking to us about the premium mechanical protection plan that we do offer. So that'll give you another 5 years or up to 200,000 kilometres, whatever comes first, of coverage on 181 parts in the car, and give you 10 years of roadside assist as well, and much, much more. So please mention that one to us. Now being blue, the other one I'd highly recommend is our glass coat protection. So that will give you a lifetime warranty on your paintwork, and we can package that together with some tint and some other options for you as well. So again, please ask us about that. If you are looking to finance, please ask us about our finance options. Mario and Julie will be happy to tailor a package to suit your needs and your budget as well. And just one more thing, please go check out our Google reviews, sitting on 4.8 stars with over 1,000 reviews as well. So obviously we're doing something right there, and you can be assured you're dealing with a reputable dealership and the right people as well. So once again, that number to call is 9907 0555. My name's Ruby, and thank you for watching.